And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera just under an hour ago, looking out to the northwest towards Galbraith School there on the horizon, as you can see. Pretty nice day all in all here in the Lethbridge area. A little cloud. You could see that Chinook arch as you look to the west, and that's the mode we're moving into. More of that Chinook activity tomorrow. Clear skies right now. 3 degrees is where we're at. When I was talking to Mike LeBlanc this morning on 98.1 CKVN Radio Morning Show, we were talking about how 0 would be a nice temperature to sit at. That was the predicted high. We surpassed that. We got to 4 degrees at 2 a.m. We were down to -9 at midnight. And then you can see the temperatures here, still a little cooler pocket of air as you look further towards the Saskatchewan border, but very mild temperatures all in all here in southern Alberta and in through southeastern BC. Fairly mild as well. Some of that precipitation we were talking about with Jackie, though, is going to land possibly not huge amounts in southeastern BC tonight and again tomorrow. We've got a low pressure center that is pushing that, well, actually we've got the area of high pressure at the surface. Low pressure center is aloft and it's kind of scooting around this area of high pressure. So in the northern sectors, Prince George getting some snow. They're getting very strong rain, wind and snow warnings right across from the central coastal areas in BC all the way to the Saskatchewan BC, or the Alberta BC border, I should say. And they're also getting pockets of snow in southern Saskatchewan from that very same system, but this area of high pressure is keeping us in pretty good stead. Radar map isn't showing any activity on this side of the mountain. Earlier today we had some false readings on radar that were showing some shower activity in between Claresholm and Calgary, but that was just a false reading. As you can see, all clear on this side of the Continental Divide, not so into the mountain areas. We've got that low pressure center, as I said, that's trying to override that area of high pressure, putting some rain-snow mixtures right along the Continental Divide and some snow in the higher elevations. Lots of cloud cover already drifting across, and then we've got this frontal system that's just starting to line up as we here in Lethbridge get into Sunday. This is all going to start to collapse, and that's where we'll see that, and you'll see it you know, on the 5-day forecast, that we do have a chance of seeing some precipitation as we get into Sunday. Precipitation is going to arrive a lot earlier than that, though, for the folks in eastern Canada. Big low pressure center that's rotating around northern Quebec, causing strong wind warnings for southern Newfoundland area. There's going to be freezing rain in southern Quebec overnight tonight. Cloudy skies for the most part in the southern sectors, but they're preparing for some rain over the next few days. A sunny break in Thunder Bay. Cloudy in Winnipeg right now, -11 degrees, -5 and -4 in Regina and Saskatoon. And as I said, some light snow flurries occurring in southern Saskatchewan. Wet on the coast and windy, 7 degrees in Vancouver right now. And there's snow developing in fairly substantial amounts over the next few days through the Whitehorse and all the way into the Yellowknife area. -17 degrees in Yellowknife right now, but with the winds there, it's feeling more like -25. East Kootenay, you're looking at that chance of flurry activity that I mentioned tonight, -5 for a low. Tomorrow cloudy with some flurries in your forecast, 1 degree for a high. West winds at about 30 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight, windy tonight, -4 for a low, 8 degrees for a high tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix throughout the day and windy throughout the day, gusting to 90. Medicine Hat, clear tonight, -3 for a low. Sunny tomorrow, 7 degrees for a high. And you too will be picking up that Chinook wind flow all the way east into the Medicine Hat area. Lethbridge, we're looking at -4 degrees for a low, but it'll be rising to +4 by early morning, and then we'll sneak up to 6 degrees, maybe even surpassing that, and we'll have windy conditions tomorrow. So 6 degrees could be a conservative number. And then Sundays, when we take that little bit of a hit when that cold front drops down from the north, have that chance of flurry activity in the mix and certainly cloudy skies. 4 degrees as we head into the weekend, past the weekend, into the work week. Things are looking pretty nice. Now, Olivia, we have to congratulate her. A year and a half of taking care of 2 severely ill relatives. So she sacrificed a lot of her time, and we have a basket here for you. Congratulations. That's it for me. Have a safe and happy weekend, everyone.